Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the XLOOKUP function to find value in a table or a range. In this example, we have a table containing some price information. We'll use a simple XLOOKUP function to look up an item code and return its price. First of all, what we have to do is to pick a cell to specify the value we want to look up. Let's say B20. So I'm going to change the color to yellow and type an item code here. Then we can pick a cell to display the return value, so I would like to make it another color. So we are going to click on C20 and type the formula. Equals to XLOOKUP and select the lookup value on the B20, comma. What I'm going to do is to select the value to look up, which is our item code column, comma, and then select where to look up the value. Since XLOOKUP can return more than one column at the same time, we can select the product column and the price column and press comma. I'll add a text not found at the end so that we might notice if we have entered a wrong item. So I will end the formula and press enter. Okay, now we can see that the product name and price are displayed correctly. And if we want to make change to the item code, for example 10004, the product information will be changed accordingly. Great. And if we enter a wrong item code, let's say 30001, we can see not found here. One more thing I want to do next is I would like to change our data into an Excel table. This can be done by highlighting the table area and click the button Format as Table. And click OK. And we can name it as Price Info. Now we can amend the formula and select the thing we need again. You can see that the formula becomes more readable now because it shows the column name we have defined. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like if this video helped you. See you.